Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of the machine learning, and in today's video we will see how we can fill the missing values in our dataset that we need to train our machine learning model. So first of all we have to import the required libraries. The first one is Pandas, the second one is Seaborn, and the third one is Matplotlib. And then I have loaded our dataset, that is learn.csv, and then we are seeing the first three rows and all the columns of our dataset, and then we are seeing how many missing values are present in each column of our dataset. Like there are 13 missing values in gender column, 3 missing values in merit column, 15 missing values in independence column. So now, to fill the missing values in our dataset, we have three methods. The first one is backward fill, the second one is forward fill, and the other methods are by filling the empty rows or empty values or missing values with the mean of the column, with the mode of the column, or with the median of the column. So first of all we are applying the backward filling method, that is dataset dot bfill and bracket, and then as in the above column, in the above dataset you can see there is a empty row in the loan amount. So after applying the backward filling method, the loan amount empty value is filled by 128 by backfilling method. In the backfilling method, the empty row or empty space is filled by the value just after that. So now we are applying the forward filling method. For this we have to write dataset dot ffill and bracket, and now you can see the loan amount, the first row is still empty. This is because there is no data present above the empty space. Like uh, above the empty space there is a column name, there is no data. And now we are applying the mean, median or mode, and for this we can apply this method only on one column at a time. For this we can write dataset loan amount dot fill na, dataset loan amount dot mode and its zeroth value. So here you can see this is the method, and now if we want to see it in the our data set, so we have to write in place equal to true, and then we will see data set dot head of the above command is still running and it will take some time. And now we will see the missing values. So here you can see the loan amount, the first row is filled by the mean value of the whole column. So these are the methods how we can fill the missing values in our data set. So if you want to fill uh, all the columns, all the missing values of each column, so we can use the for loop or while loop to fill all the values by the mean value. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.